Hello class 10. In our last class, we have discussed about the wrapper classes. The wrapper class is a part of a package called java.lang, and we have discussed what is the wrapper class and what are the need of using wrapper class. So all these things we have discussed in our last class. We have 8 wrapper classes, that is character, byte B capital, short, integer, long, float, double and boolean. And in our last class we have learned the conversion from string to primitive types. We have discussed how to convert a string into integer, a string to long, a string to float, a string to double. In today's class we are going to learn conversion from primitive type data to string. A primitive type data will be converted to what? String. Okay. Now see, a conversion from a string to primitive. A string to primitive type data is possible only if it contains the numbers. That all do you know? So how to convert from primitive type data to string? First one is integer type data to string type. What is first one? Integer type data to string type. Syntax is data type string, variable name equal to integer dot to string int. So this argument int, what is given in the bracket, it will be converted into a string and stored in the variable. For example, int n equal to 89. So this 89 is an integer, and on this we can do all types of mathematical calculation. All the arithmetical calculation can be done on n, since it is int type, its value is 89. Okay. Now string s equal to integer dot to string n. String s equal to integer dot to string n. So this function will convert the value of n into string and store in s. Store where? Store in s. Okay. This value will be stored in s. But in the what form? In the form of the string. This s equal to 89. It is a string literal, and no mathematical calculation can be done on this. Okay, the next one is how to convert a long type data to string type. Syntax is string, variable name, long dot to string long. So this argument long will be converted into long data type. Okay, and this argument will be converted into string and stored in variable. Alright, now it will be converted from long to string. Suppose long n equal to 8999999. So it is a long value. String s equal to long dot to string n. So this long will be converted into string and stored in s. It will be stored where? It will be stored in s. Okay. So this was how to convert long to string, and once it is converted, no mathematical calculation can be done. Next one is how to convert a float type data to string type. Okay, float type data to string type. Syntax is string, variable name equal to float dot to string float. That is, float will be converted into string and stored in the variable. For example, float n equal to 89.67. So this 89.67 will be converted into string, and we cannot do any calculation on s once it is converted into string. So float n equal to 89.67, string s equal to float dot to string n. This n will be converted into string and stored in s. S equal to 89.67. Okay. Now next conversion is double type data to string type. What is next conversion? Double type data to string type. Syntax data type string, variable name equal to double dot to string double. So this double value will be converted into string and stored in the variable. For example, double n equal to 89 89.123456. Double n equal to 89.123456. String s equal to double dot to string. So the string will be converted, n will be converted into double and stored in s. So s value is 89.123456. So these were the functions related to wrapper classes, methods of wrapper classes. That is, and in this what we have learned how to convert a string to primitive type and how to convert primitive type data to string type. Now next we are going to discuss character type data. Now what is a character? The character is defined as a letter, a digit or any special symbol enclosed within single quotes. For example, G, it is enclosed within a single quote. It is a single letter, single character, so it is a character. 8 within a single quote, a single, so it is a character. Asterisk within a single quote, so asterisk is a character. So what is a character? The character is defined as a letter or a digit or any special symbol enclosed within single quotes. Now how to assign character literal to a variable? A character variable is declared under char data type to store the character literal, like char ch1 equal to d, char ch2 equal to 9, char ch3 equal to asterisk. Now let us learn that how to input a character by using the scanner class, by scanner method. Syntax is data type char, variable name equal to scanner object dot next dot char at 0. System out println enter a character, char ch equal to in dot next method dot char at 0. Okay, so this will input a character and store in ch. Now let us discuss some functions based on character. The character wrapper contains character data type. It also includes some functions to manipulate the character type data. The first function is character dot is letter. So if we input a letter as a single character, then output will be true, otherwise false. So what does this function do? This function is used to check whether a given argument is a letter or not. If an input character is a letter, output comes true, otherwise false. It returns a boolean type value, either true or false. No integer value, boolean type value. See the syntax, boolean variable name equal to character dot is letter and the bracket argument character. For example, boolean v1 equal to character dot is letter d. So this capital D, is it letter? Yes, it is letter. So it will return true to v1. v1 value will be true. The same way, boolean v2 equal to character dot is letter 8. 8 is a letter? No, it is a digit. So output will be false. So value of v2 will be false. Okay. Next function is character dot is digit. So as the name says, it is going to check whether an argument or input character is a digit or not. If it is digit, it returns true, otherwise false. This function returns a boolean type value true if a given argument is a digit, otherwise false. Syntax, data type boolean, variable name equal to character dot is digit and bracket character. For example, boolean v1 equal to character dot is digit 7. The 7 is a digit? Yes. So output will be true. Boolean v2 equal to character dot is digit m. The m is a digit? No. Output will be false. Today's last function is character dot is letter or digit. This function checks for both. If you input a letter, output will be true. If you give a digit, then also output will be true. Either one. This function returns a boolean type value true if a given argument is either letter or a digit, otherwise false. Syntax, data type boolean, variable name equal to character dot is letter or digit. Character dot is letter or digit and a bracket character. For example, boolean v1 equal to character dot is letter or digit. The 7 is not a letter, but it is digit. So what will be output? Output will be true. Boolean v2 equal to character dot is letter or digit m. M is not a digit, but it is a letter. Either one. So output will be true. Boolean v3 equal to character dot is letter or digit asterisk. So asterisk is neither a letter nor a digit. So output will be false. So in today's class, we have learned how to convert primitive type data to string, and we have learned 3 character function. So please learn these functions and syntax. Thank you.